To use Klarna with Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, you'll see a page where you can discover new destinations, find hotels, and more. To pay using Klarna, first find what you want to buy, add the items to your cart, and head to the checkout. When you're at the checkout, you'll see the total purchase amount, and if Klarna is available, you'll have the option to pay using it. You can then view and select your preferred Klarna payment option. To complete the payment, select Klarna Checkout, pay for the purchase, and then manage your orders and payments in the Klarna app. If Klarna is not available for your initial selection, you may need to choose a different hotel that accepts Klarna. Once you've found a suitable hotel, you can select Klarna as your payment method and start booking. The process is relatively straightforward. Reserve a room, select the payment option, and if Klarna is available, you can choose it and proceed with the payment. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully use Klarna with Expedia. The key is to ensure that the hotel you choose accepts Klarna and to carefully follow the checkout process to select the Klarna payment option.